that is really at the top of its game as far as performance is concerned. This one scored fantastically well in various tests from organisations. This particular fella is the second of the machines they make. 8 kilo 1400 spin. You've got, I don't know if you can see it, there's a white light on the floor there that gives you an indication of how long the program's got left, whether it's got left 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and it's still there even when the door's closed, which is quite useful. You've obviously got all the normal popular programs these days. You've got the eco program, so if you want to save as much money as possible, you can. And you've got things like 15-minute freshen up cycles and things like that, which are always very useful. If you pop it open there, you've even got LED lighting inside the tub there. So if you're sort of rummaging around for a forgotten sock, that makes life a lot easier as well. And what I would say is the icing on the cake to what is a superb performance machine, at any rate, is the fact that if you register it with Bosch, you get a free 5-year parts and labour at the moment. So for the normal price it's selling for, it's a superb product.